In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to combo in Saitama Battlegrounds Garou. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very basic Garou combo that is going to help you get your opponent slow so you can finish them off with ease. This combo is going to consist of opening with a dash, doing 3 M1s, into a lethal whirlwind stream, and then immediately, once your opponent gets back up, into a flowing water. After the flowing water is done, do a side dash to approach and finish it off with a hunter's grasp into 4 M1s. Keep in mind that for the footage that I'm showing you in this video, I did it very slowly and poorly. It was very sloppy, but still, I was able to get the idea across. And this is what you have to do. You will also notice that the enemy actually dies before I'm able to do the 4 M1s, but keep in mind that this combo by itself will not kill the opponent, so you will need to finish him off somehow afterwards. But essentially this is all you have to do. So you will be able to chain all of these moves together in order, which I'm gonna repeat in a little while, and you will be able to get a nice opening on your enemy. So once again, you are going to start off with a dash into 3 M1s into a lethal whirlwind stream, and once they go back up and then fall down, you will be able to do a flowing water, do a side dash to close the distance into a hunter's grasp, and then you can finish him off with a bunch of M1s back to back to back. Of course, there are more combos that you can explore for Garou, but for this video I wanted to showcase a very basic combo for newbies like me, and you will be able to practice and get better until you learn more techniques and through combos that will be able to finish off your opponent completely. I hope I was able to help you on how to combo in Saitama Battlegrounds Garou. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.